Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the iPad so text-to-speech works reliably. First, make sure iOS is current and you have a stable environment. This avoids unexpected behavior. Next, open Settings, then Accessibility, then Spoken Content. Enable Speak Selection or Speak Screen right away so you can trigger reading. Choose a voice and adjust speaking rate. These choices affect comprehension and speed. Once done, test on a sentence in Notes to verify voice. Rate and pause feel natural and clear to you. Now you'll refine the sound and behavior. Tap Voices to download enhanced voices. Use Wi-Fi because files can be several megabytes. Then tweak the speaking rate slider, slower for comprehension, faster for skimming. If you read technical terms, add custom pronunciations so names sound correct. Enable highlight content so the iPad highlights words as they are read. This helps tracking. Make sure typing feedback is on if you want characters and words read while you type. After configuring, test on Safari and a PDF to compare results. Finally, learn how to use and recover from problems. To start reading, swipe down with 2 fingers for Speak Screen or select text and choose Speak for Speak Selection. These are your main controls. Create an accessibility shortcut. Triple-click the side button to toggle speech quickly without digging into menus. If speech fails, restart the iPad first, then re-download the problematic voice or reset spoken content settings. If issues persist, check restrictions and Bluetooth audio routing. Make sure audio isn't routed to a disconnected device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.